Hi, my name is Tim Ellsworth with Isuzu Commercial Truck of America. Today I'm here to talk to you about our charging setup on the 2025 Isuzu NRR EV. Let's open this charge port box and take a look inside. Inside the box you'll notice there's two different charge plug locations. The first one, the top port, is our AC charging, which is our typical US standardized J1772, which will support up to 19.2 kilowatts of charging capability. The lower portion, combined with the upper portion, turns this into a combo 1 charge port for DC fast charging, which will support up to 80 kilowatts of charging capability. Overall, if you're wondering how long it takes to charge this vehicle, well, there's a range. If you go DC fast charging, the range is somewhere between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. When you look at the AC slow or overnight charging, the range is anywhere from 6 to 10.5 hours. Hopefully you learned something about our Isuzu NRR EV charging. Thank you.